What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. So, just got news that my class for today got canceled. So that means I get to do this, a home tornado siren test. So, if you guys remember back to the tornado warning we had just about 3 months ago, I used this to sound alternate wail, or alternate wail, whatever you want to pronounce it as, for a tornado warning. And I set it off 30 seconds before the Oswego tornado sirens, which are nothing but T-128s, were set off. So today what we're going to do is an alert and attack test. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to do voice about 30 seconds before 10 o'clock or something like that. So at 9:59 I'll do voice. 10 o'clock I'll start alert for 1 minute, and then after a minute wait 15 seconds, switch to attack, do that for a minute, stop, and then do the end voice. And then that'll be it for the test. You'll hear the T-128 close to this house do alert, and possibly the Montgomery PD P-50, which is refurbished, which I recorded back in June. Got my GoPro Hero 8 set up on the tray table right here to record the Pathfinder. If you're wondering why I'm not going to be using my phone, it's for stability reasons and also because I'm going to be using my phone to trigger the Pathfinder. So there's that. Also, in terms of voice, I'm going to be using text-to-speech because I think it's more effective, less static, and can be heard further. So yeah, because when I was using my mic there was a lot of static, and I'm not really sure if everyone could hear what I was speaking through the microphone. So that's it for now. Skip to the 2-minute and 5-second mark for the test.
This is a test of the outdoor warning siren system. Repeating, this is a test of the outdoor warning siren system. This is not an emergency. This is only a test. This has been a test of the outdoor warning siren system. Repeating, this has been a test of the outdoor warning siren system. This was only a test.
Well, that was fun. Now, originally my plan was to let it run for a minute of alert and a minute of attack, but because the T-128 closest to me didn't go off till 10:02, so 2 minutes late, I let attack run for 2 minutes rather than 1. So a total of a 3-minute test for the Ion Pathfinder plus voice. So that was awesome. Hope you guys enjoyed it as much as I did. If you did, smash the thumbs up in the face, subscribe if you're new, turn on post notifications, do what you guys do best, and peace out till next time.